Crystal light transmission, a pathway for humanity's renewal. Since the dawn of civilization, Earth has been our sanctuary, cradling us, nourishing us, and sustaining life in countless ways. Yet, in our pursuit of power and progress, humanity has often turned against the very source of its survival. Wars, famine, ecological collapse, and spiritual disconnection are the inevitable results of a world driven by greed and separation. We now stand at a crossroad. The choices we make today will determine whether we rise into a new era of consciousness and harmony, or collapse into ashes of our own making. At Heaven's Gift Academy, we believe that within every crisis lies the seed of transformation. Since 2001, we have been dedicated to guiding individuals through these turbulent times with a structured system of learning and practice known as Crystal Light Transmission, CLT. What is Crystal Light Transmission, CLT? CLT is both a practice and a path of cultivation. At its heart, it is a way of reconnecting with the primordial light of creation, the animating force that carries the codes of life and evolution throughout the cosmos. Why light? Light is the foundation of all existence. It animates life, carries information, and fuels transformation. Why crystals? The ancients called crystal, solidified light. As the purest form of physical matter, crystals serve as natural teachers and amplifiers of energy, making the invisible tangible. Through CLT, practitioners learn to use crystals as a medium to cultivate, refine, and transmit light energy, restoring balance within themselves and with the world around them. CLT unfolds in two complementary dimensions. Practice. Movement and meditative exercises with crystals that purify the body, enhance vitality, prevent disease, and promote longevity. Cultivation. The deeper work of refining mind and character, living in harmony with universal laws, and embodying love, truth, and selflessness. Together, these dimensions support not only physical health but also spiritual evolution, freeing us from cycles of suffering and aligning us with the greater flow of creation. When individuals gather in shared intention, something extraordinary happens. A field of intelligent light energy emerges, greater than the sum of its parts. This living field works to heal, uplift, and expand awareness, connecting participants to the vast reservoirs of cosmic energy. Group practice becomes not only a personal journey but also a collective act of service, anchoring light for the healing of humanity and the earth. Crystal light transmission is more than a technique, it is a pathway of human evolution. It invites us to purify the five elements, time, space, air, fire, water, earth, within ourselves. Restore harmony between body, mind, spirit, and planet. Live by the universal principles of love, truth, and selflessness. Contribute to the birth of a new field of consciousness for humanity. At this critical moment in Earth's history, CLT offers a way forward, a way to heal, to awaken, and to co-create a future rooted in balance and light. The journey of CLT is not about escape from the world's challenges, but about transforming how we meet them. It is about remembering that light is not outside of us, it is our very essence. Heaven's Gift Academy welcomes all who feel called to walk this path of renewal, resilience, and radiant service.